Today we're out here at the Silver Lake Sand Dunes in the 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Offroad. Let's see how this thing does out here in the sand. It's been a fun little truck bringing it out here. Nice little road trip vehicle. Decent fuel economy, reasonably comfortable. But how does it perform off-road? We're just going to start off in two-wheel drive and see what it can do, if anything. We've got traction control turned off. Suspension does a pretty good job handling some of the whoops. Being a slightly stiffer setup, it seems to handle not bottoming out a little bit better because of that. I think we're going to put it into 4 high here because we're not really able to get through much. It is pretty cool bombing through this stuff here, but yeah, let's put it into 4-wheel drive. We do have crawl control, multi-terrain select in this. To go into 4 low for that. Right now we're at about 17 psi. Let's air down just a little bit more, and I think we'd have an easier time getting up some of these hills. Alright, so to go into 4 low, we'll put it in neutral, it'll shift, and there we are, we're good. Let's do multi-terrain select. We'll put it into mud and sand mode, and should be in pretty good shape. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Oh, this is beautiful, just beautiful. No problem getting up these hills now that I'm aired down. 4 low does help a little bit too. I feel like I have pretty good ground clearance in this thing. Haven't bottomed out or had any issues scraping just yet. Of course it is sand, so if you do bottom out, it's not the end of the world. It's pretty forgiving. We did baby test hill. Let's go up this way just a little bit and see what the view is. Oh, the view's good. It's really good. Awesome. Look at that. We're gonna have a fun sunset tonight too. I mean, it basically boils down to, do you have four-wheel drive? Is your tire pressure low enough? A little bit of driftwood here and bumpers. We're going to avoid that at all costs. It's a nice little steep one right here. See what we can do. Easy. Just got to keep your momentum up. Alright guys, well I think that's your answer. The Tacoma handles the dunes pretty darn well. Though not as fun as a side-by-side or maybe a Raptor. Suspension's pretty stiff, but once you air down a little bit more, it's not as bad. Cool. Well, there you go. There's the answer. Toyota Tacoma at the sand dunes. You can do it. May struggle a little bit with test hill, just not enough horsepower. Maybe I didn't have enough momentum, probably too. It's part driver, part vehicle. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.